In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of all devices in ChatGPT. This is a quick but important way to secure your account, especially if you've signed in on a shared computer, borrowed a device, or just want to make sure nothing is left logged in elsewhere. Logging out of all devices ends every active session connected to your account, so only you can sign back in. First, with ChatGPT open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It may show your initials or a small avatar. Go ahead and click that profile icon to open your account menu. This is your gateway to account options and preferences, and it's the same place you'll return to whenever you want to manage your settings in the future. From that menu, choose Settings. A small window or page will appear with several sections that control how your account behaves. Next, select the Security section. This is where ChatGPT groups all the features that protect your account, including session controls. If you don't immediately see security, look for tabs or a sidebar. It's usually listed clearly alongside options like General or Account. Inside Security, find the option labeled Log Out of All Devices. This is the control that ends every session where your account is currently signed in, whether that's another browser, a different computer, or a mobile app. Think of it as an emergency stop for access to your account. When you're ready, click Log Out All. You'll likely see a confirmation prompt to prevent accidental clicks. Confirm your choice, and ChatGPT will sign you out everywhere. Your current session may close too, so be prepared to sign back in afterward. A few quick notes so you know what to expect. Logging out of all devices won't delete your chat history. Your conversations remain tied to your account. However, any device that was signed in will require your credentials again. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method handy so you can get back in quickly. And if you don't see the security section right away, try expanding the window or ensuring you're on the latest version, as labels can occasionally shift with updates. That's all there is to it. Profile icon, settings, security, then log out of all devices and confirm. Your account is now secure across the board, and you're in full control of where it's signed in.